Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am going to tell you benefits of using hairbrush. So if you guys are really confused that what is the difference between hairbrush and a normal comb, and what are the benefits of using hairbrush and a lot of different things, then you are at correct place. But before watching this video, do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as I upload my new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so let's first start with the benefits of hairbrush. So your hairbrush looks something like this, and that round wala hairbrush bhi hota hai, but round wala hairbrush हम लोग normally use नहीं करते. That is for styling purpose, specially for styling, and इससे भी style कर सकते हैं. But this is just a normal brush, and ये brush में भी two types आते हैं, the normal brush and the detangler brush. So detangler brush are really good because उससे knots भी निकल जाता है hair में से. And yes, so I'll just start with first benefit. First benefit over here is that when you comb your hair from the head, ये मसाज करता है अपने हेड को, and it improves the circulation of your blood and helps you for good growth of your hair. So yes, that's the first benefit and good thing for a hairbrush. So yes, I would suggest you can go for hairbrush. Next benefit is that it gives shine to your hair and makes your hair little fluffy. For example, just see, if I am combing my hair with this, ouch, shit. Okay, for example, if I am combing my hair with comb, it will make my hair like ऐसे चपटा, क्या बोलते हैं, yes, stick to my head. But if I am using hairbrush, it will make my hair look fluffy and of good volume, and it even makes your hair shiny, because typically देखा जाए तो ये प्लास्टिक का comb रहता है and this is of different material, so it is really good for your hair and makes your hair look fluffy. Next benefit of using hairbrush is that you can style your hair, like थोड़ा styling दे सकते हैं हम लोग while using your hair dryer or your blow dryer. I will make a different video tutorial of using this and hair dryer, but yes, it benefits. So hairbrush is really good for your hair while you can style on your daily basis without using any heat products, like that extensive heat products. Okay, next thing one must use hairbrush is that it looks classy and it looks amazing. Like वो comb normal outdated जैसा feel होता है and ये हमेशा classy लगता है. So yes, you can use hairbrush for that reason as well. Okay, now let's come to the tips while using this hairbrush. Is that never use this hairbrush while your hair is wet. Like ऊपर से use मत करो, नीचे से you can use धीरे धीरे and remove knots, and then you can go upward, because it will break your hair that way. Because if you know how to properly use hairbrush, then you can go with it. It's really amazing. But अगर use करने नहीं आता है ना, तो आपके hair टूटते जाएंगे. So yes, and the biggest problem while using hairbrush is that cleaning of a hairbrush is really hectic and really time consuming. So cleaning of hairbrush is a tedious task, but overall using hairbrush on daily basis is really amazing. I myself use hairbrush before I sleep and while I go to office in the morning. So ये ना मेरे hair को fluffy कर देता है and stick नहीं होने देता है, and it even makes something कि वो oily जो scalp होता है ना, उसको help करता है to make it normal scalp, because ये massage करता है, and यहाँ पे रोज़ हम लोग massage करेंगे head को, तो वो obviously effect करेगा ना कुछ. So it is something a good effect. So I would suggest you can go for hairbrush. Really, just go for it. Buy one hairbrush and just try it out by your own self. And for guys, I would like, मेरा भाई है ना, वो hairbrush के अलावा कुछ use ही नहीं करता है. Obviously comb तो उसने सालों हो गए रहेंगे use नहीं किया रहेगा. So for guys, I would suggest go for hairbrush only, because guys के hair छोटे होते हैं. So hairbrush is amazing. It works for them really perfectly. So if you are a guy watching this video, just have a hairbrush, use hairbrush only. And guys even can use that round wala hairbrush because it really helps for styling and all those purpose. But if you're a girl you can go for this kind of hairbrush. ऐसे टाइप का कोई भी अच्छा वाला hairbrush लेना, वो प्लास्टिक वाला मत लेना, it will break your hair and damage your hair. but कोई अच्छा वाला ऐसे detangler वाला soft bristles वाला लिया ना तो it will really help you. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it was something useful for today. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And guys, do hit like to this video, it motivates me. Please, it's free and it will motivate me, so do hit like and do subscribe. Yes, meet you in next video. Bye bye.